Hi there. Today we're going to do a real quick video showing you how you can weld text to an image. Okay. Um, I've already got my text on the screen to make things easier, and I already have my graphic ready to go. So I'm using Mama script font, and you can grab that on Creative Fabrica. They have it right there. I will leave a link for that and below in the comments when we're done here. All right, so I have my font drawn out, and let me see. Let's make it the size I want, which looks good right about there. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to, you see this little purple dot here? That's just showing you that we are still in text mode. And the first thing we want to do is right click on our text and select convert to path. And then we are going to go over here to the left and we are going to weld all that text together. Okay? Now we're going to move it over here on top of our image, our heart, and we're going to set it where we want it. And I think that looks pretty good there. You want to make sure it's connected on both the right side, the left side, and the right side. Once you have it placed where you want it, I'm just going to drag from the left and select both my heart and my text. Now you can either go right over here to your left and select Weld, and that joins it together. You can also use the Boolean Assistant, so you could go to Tools and click Boolean Assistant and select Union. Or you can use keyboard shortcuts. Control B will also bring up the Boolean, and again we'll select Union and OK. Once that's done, your text is welded to your image, and it will engrave that way, cut that way, whichever you want. But that is all there is to it. It's a super simple process, and I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.